Now, if we're looking at auto correcting the pitch on your audio, you have a couple of different options within Autotune. So what you've got is you've got Autotune Access, Autotune Artist, and then the flagship product, Autotune Pro. Now, obviously, EFX and EFX Plus do have Autotune built into it, but these three are dedicated to pitch correcting the audio. Now, Autotune Access really is the fastest and easiest way to use Autotune. It's very cut down and very minimal. What you've got is the retune speed and then the humanize. So basically just two options, and you've actually just got only 3 settings on each one. So with the retune, you can either choose slow, medium, or fast. And then with the humanize function, you can choose off, minimum, or maximum. So it's very simple and very cut down. If you look at my instance of AutoKey, you can see the key and scale over here. So I'm going to send this to the Autotune Access. Now I've got the key and the scale. And let's start off by using a slow retune speed.
I can't believe that we just came this far to throw away everything we thought we had. I hoped was here to stay, 'cause you turned out to
Change the
be the
retune
guy
speed
that
to
I would
medium.
never love, and upside down became the everything I'm dreaming
You can hear it's
of.
reacting a bit faster.
I'm a girl you didn't know.
And then now fast.
Speak to me as if we kept it on the down low.
So a much faster retune speed.
Let go.
Can definitely hear it on those notes there. And as you can see, the notes within the scale is C major, so it's all the white notes. So C, D, E, F, G, A, and B. And as you see, as I'm hovering around, you see the sort of help info dialog window come up. If you want to turn it off, you just go to this option over here and you untick enable tooltips. Okay, so now let's move over onto humanize. So by default, humanize is set to off, but I've got the options to set to minimum and maximum. I'm going to leave the retune speed set to fast. And you'll hear how when you switch up the humanize to a higher option, how it adds more humanization to the vocal and makes it sound less robotic.
I can't believe that we just came this far to throw away everything
Up
we
to
thought
minimum.
we had. I hoped was here to stay, 'cause you turned out to be the guy that I would never love.
And then down to maximum.
Became the everything I'm dreaming of, and now you just pretend that I'm a girl you didn't know.
Let's leave this
Speak
at
to me as
maximum
if we kept it on
and then
the
switch
down
this to
low
medium.
scale. You won't let go. Oh.
So if we just take and listen to this end bit, if you have the retune speed set to fast and the humanize to off, sounds very robotic. So when you change the retune speed to medium and the humanize to maximum, that vibrato in those last two notes sounds way more natural. So that is how to use Autotune Access. Very simple and very easy. So if you're looking for something to use very quick and easy to auto-tune your vocals, this is definitely a good plugin to jump for. Plus, it's not very resource heavy. So if you've got a very big project and you just need to auto-tune slightly the vocals, then definitely jump for Access and try it out.